Imagine opening your front door to a crowd of eager visitors, all curious about what you offer. Now, imagine they step inside, look around, feel utterly confused, and promptly leave without saying a word. That's exactly what happens in the digital world when your landing page isn't doing its job. You might be pouring money into ads, SEO, and content, only to see frustratingly low conversion rates. Most businesses don't suffer from a lack of potential customers discovering their brand. No, they suffer from a failure to guide those customers effectively once they arrive. It's not about getting more eyes on your page, it's about making every single one of those eyes count. You don't have a traffic problem. You have a what do I do when I land on this page problem. So, how do you fix it? First, you absolutely must understand your audience. Who are they? What problems are they trying to solve? What are their hopes, their fears, their anxieties? The more detail you get with your buyer personas, the better you can tailor your message. Talk to existing customers, run surveys, check your analytics. This deep understanding makes your visitors feel seen and valued. Next, craft the perfect message. Your landing page headline is the first thing they see, so it needs to be in perfect harmony with the ad or link they clicked on. If your ad promises 20% off all widgets, your headline better say something similar, like claim your 20% off all widgets here. This immediate consistency builds trust. Below that, nail your value proposition. Don't just list features, tell them the tangible benefits, like save 10 hours a week is way better than our software has X features. And keep your content super concise and skimmable. Use short paragraphs and bullet points. Most people don't read, they just scan. Now, let's talk about design for conversion. The above the fold area, what they see without scrolling, is prime real estate. Your headline, a compelling image or video, and your primary call to action must be right there, front and center. Use visual hierarchy to guide their eyes. Big headlines, contrasting CTA buttons, and seriously, mobile first responsiveness is non negotiable. If your page looks bad on a phone, you're losing customers. Finally, build credibility with trust signals like customer testimonials, reviews, or client logos. People need reassurance, which brings us to the power of the call to action. This is the moment of truth. Avoid vague buttons like submit. Instead, use outcome oriented language like get my free ebook, or start my free trial, or schedule a free demo. Tell them exactly what they'll get. Make that button prominent, use a contrasting color, and ensure it's impossible to miss out on. If you have a form, keep it short and sweet, only asking for essential info so you minimize any friction. Lastly, it's all about optimizing and testing. Your landing page journey is never done. A/B test everything: headlines, button colors, images, form lengths. Test one element at a time, gather statistically significant data, and then implement the winner. Track key metrics beyond just bounce rate. Think conversion rate, cost per conversion, and lead quality. This iterative approach means you're always improving, always smoothing out that user journey. So stop asking for more traffic and start asking yourself, what do I want my visitors to do when they land here? And have I made it absolutely impossible for them to get lost? When you answer that question with a resounding conversion focused yes, your business will thrive. Thanks for watching. For more videos like this, follow and subscribe.